My name is Urmila Nivangune. Today's date is 28th of January 2022 and today's topic is operators in Java. So we'll see what is operators and what are types of operators in Java. Operators are nothing but symbols that are used to uh, do some do some calculations or operations uh, with the help of operands. So let's consider one syntax, that is a plus b equal to c. In this case, plus and equal to signs are operators and a, b, c are operands. So we can use multiple operands as well as operators for completing any syntax or any operation. There are multiple types of operators in Java. First one is arithmetic operator. Plus, minus, modulus, divide by, multiplication are some arithmetic operations, and that operators are used to perform arithmetic operation on the operands. Then next one is unary operators. Unary operators are takes only one operand, and that are plus plus minus minus, or we can say increment or decrement operators. So for example, a plus plus, b plus plus are increment operator, and they are incrementing b's value, that is b is variable's value by 1. And it also, in this there are two types, post increment and pre increment. Pre increment are used to uh, display the value of operator before changing it, and post increment are used to display the previous value of variable and then increases the value by 1. Also it contains decrement operator, that is minus minus, and minus minus are used to decrement the variable's value by 1. So that is all about increment, decrement or unary operators. The second next type is assignment operator. Assignment operators are used to assign the values. There are two sides, on both sides left and right there are operands are present, and every variable or operand is assigning the value to another operand or variable. So next one is ternary operators. Ternary operators have multiple operators in a single line. That means we can use multiple number of operators for executing a code. If we require 4-5 lines of code to execute, then by using ternary operators we can achieve it by in a single line. So it is all about ternary operator. Then shift operators. Shift operators are used to shift the values respectively, that means left shift and right shift. Then next one is logical operators. Logical operators are nothing but and, or, and and operator used to check the conditions, and or operator is also used to check the condition. For first one is and operator. In and operator, it returns the true value if both the conditions are true, and in or operator, if the one condition is false then it checks for another condition, and if any one condition is true then it returns true, otherwise it returns false. But in and operator, both the conditions should be true to get the result as true. So that is all about and or operator. The another operator in logical operator is not operator, and it is used to display the negating value. That means it is used to check the condition which is not true. If the condition is not true or in negative result, then it returns true. So that is all about our today's topic. Thank you.